National Environment Protection Act was passed during the tenure of which Prime Minister? Rajiv Gandhi. Which Indian state has most forest area? Madhya Pradesh. Name the tribunal that deals with environment related cases in India. National Green Tribunal. Narmada Bachao Andolan was launched by whom? Medha Patkar. Name the African environment activist who received the Nobel Peace Prize in 2004. Wangari Maathai.